Yo, yo, yo. With Cyberpunk coming round just the corner on Thursday, as of now, I thought I'll just give you a quick look at my Cyberpunk themed gaming setup that I've done with all my RGB. So let's get to it. So as you can see, the wallpaper is a Cyberpunk 2077. What's it called? Wallpaper engine that I'm using from Steam, and it also got the time down there, which is cool. So I'm interested to see what happens to the wallpaper when it actually goes down to 0. That'd be interesting. Obviously, we've got the yellow, cyan, cyberpunk themed colours there with the purple. So that carries on to all the RGB stuff. So here you can see it's got yellow and purple with stripes of blue going through it. Stripes of purple going through it. So it's yellow and blue and stripes of purple going through it, as you can see there on the keyboard, and it reflects down to the mouse there as well, which is of course wireless. It's charging on the pad there, so you know, it just chucks it on there. And of course the PC, which is using the Spec Omega RGB, and it's, you know, just kind of throwing all the light through it. So if I just turn the light off, you'll probably be able to see everything a bit better actually. So yeah, there we go. So now you can see that you've got the yellow kind of going through the base, so it's on static yellow, and then there's a purple pulse that goes through it, and it's same up there, so that's blue with a purple pulse kind of going through it. Then the same here on the keyboard, you've got the Cyberpunk yellow with that purple pulse, and you got the blue at the top. Got the monitor there, same thing going on, and here is the mouse. So we've got the you know, same kind of colour thing going there, and obviously the PC itself. So this is the front. So what we've got here, see if I can turn the exposure down a bit. There we go. Yeah, so we've got the yellow, and then let's keep doing that. There we go. Right, we've got the yellow on static with the purple going through it as like a pulse. And it's the same with the fans there as well. You can see we've got the yellow with the purple kind of going through it, and it's blue in the middle, so it looks pretty cool. And that's on all of the fans there. Then here you can see, let's bring this exposure down. You can see I've got the same in there as well. So we've got the yellow with the purple going through it, and then there's blue in the middle. Then you've got the pump, yellow ring, cyan in the middle, purple going through it, and that's all through there as well. And of course the RGB RAM sticks. It all looks very cool. And then you've got this yellow kind of RGB strip, of course, going around the borders of the case. And the coolest part is this right here. So this is a specific thing to the Aorus Master. You can put your own GIF. So I've got the Cyberpunk 2077 logo there in the GIF, which is pretty cool, and that's just on the graphics card, just kind of showing it there. So yeah, very swish looking, you know. It's all ready.